Hi, this is Litre Auto Parts Plus. Today we have a 2003 Mazda 323, stock number 6279. This ran from the 9th 1998 to the 12th 2003. It has an FS 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the FS 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door, 3 dents. Right front guard has the clear peeling. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front door, 2 dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.